This is part 1, numericals based on Henry's law, belonging to the chapter solutions. Henry's law can be given as M directly proportional to P, where M is the mass of the gas dissolved in a unit volume of the solvent. P is the pressure of the gas in equilibrium with the solvent. So we get M is equal to Kh into P, where Kh is the Henry's law constant. This is considered as the first formula. Now, when mass is replaced by mole fraction, then X is directly proportional to P, or XA, A is the gas, is equal to Kh into P. Now, if we take the reverse of this equation, we get P directly proportional to X, or PA is equal to KH into XA, and here also it is PA. So for this is the second formula. This is the third formula. For the first formula, the unit of Kh comes out as gram or mass pressure inverse. In the we can write as ATM inverse. If we consider the second formula, the unit of Kh comes out as pressure inverse, or it is ATM inverse. If we consider the third formula, then the unit for Henry constant comes out as pressure, the unit of pressure, or simply ATM. Depending upon the units of Kh, we can decide which formula for Henry's law to be used to solve that particular numerical. We'll take up the numerical now. Now the numerical is, find the mole fraction of O2 in a saturated solution of oxygen in water at 25 degrees Celsius when the partial pressure of O2 above the water is 0.21 atm, given that Henry's constant for O2 in water at 25 degrees Celsius is 2.3 into 10 to the power of minus 5 atm inverse. Now, for this problem, numerical problem, the Henry's law constant unit should be considered. Here it is atm inverse. So whenever it is pressure inverse, unit for the Henry's law constant, then the formula to be used is the second formula we had just discussed. So the second formula is XA is equal to KH into PA. Now KH is given as 2.3 into 10 to the power of minus 5 atm inverse. The mole fraction to be found out, and then PA is given as 0.21 atm. So simply substituting in the formula, we get, in place of KH, 2.3 into 10 to the power of minus 5 atm inverse. In place of PA, it is 0.21 atm, and this is equal to 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 6. ATM inverse, ATM gets cancelled. So, no unit of XA. Now, we'll move to the another example. The second problem. The Henry's law constant for a solution of acetone in chloroform is 0.2 bar when the solution is at 308 Kelvin. Calculate the value of vapor pressure of acetone when its mole fraction is 0.14. Here, mole fraction is given. The Henry law constant is given. It is 0.2 bar. Here, the thing to be noticed is it is the unit for Henry law constant and it is simply pressure. So the third formula for Henry's law to be used, which is PA is equal to KH into XA. So he has asked, or in the problem it is asked, the vapor pressure of acetone. That means PA is asked. So substituting, we get, in place of KH we substitute 0.2 bar. In place of XA we substitute 0.14. So simply it is 0.028 unit comes out for vapor pressure as bar.